Okay, here's a question we have to solve using constraint motion. So here we have got a rod. This is the rod A, which can slide down only vertically because of restriction by these rollers over here. Okay, then we have this wedge B, which can slide on this fixed incline. Okay, the incline is fixed, right? So the wedge B can slide along this inclined plane and the rod can slide only vertically, and since they are in contact over here, so they create a constraint motion. Okay, so the question is asking what is the relation between ratio of acceleration of B and acceleration of A. So A will go down, A will be coming downwards with acceleration AA, and B will be going along the incline with acceleration AB. Now, when two bodies are in contact, we apply the surface constraint. Surface constraint says that velocity is same along the common normal. Okay, and in this case, since there is no rotation involved, because there is no rotation, acceleration is also same along normal. Okay, so in this case, what is my normal at the point of contact? So this is my normal at the point of contact. This is 90-degree angle, right? So the wedge B has acceleration AB already along the normal. Acceleration of wedge B along the normal is AB, but acceleration of A is not exactly along the normal, so I have to find its component along the normal. Okay, so AA is downwards, so its component along the normal will be how much? So this is my AA and this is my normal. Okay, the common normal, this part, right? So the component of AB along the AA along the normal will be AA sine theta. Okay, so according to this statement, AB should be equal to AA sine theta. AB should be equal to AA sine theta. So AB by AA will be sine theta. That's it.